dive into the world of concrete nouns. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey through the English language. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fundamental part of grammar: concrete nouns. These are the tangible, touchable, and perceivable parts of speech that make our conversations rich and full of imagery. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Firstly, what are concrete nouns? Concrete nouns are nouns that you can perceive with at least one of your 5 senses. This means you can see, hear, smell, touch, or taste them. For example, a dog, a pizza, or a song. They're concrete because they're tangible in some way. Now, what distinguishes concrete nouns from others? The main characteristic of concrete nouns is their tangibility. While abstract nouns represent ideas or concepts that can't be physically interacted with, concrete nouns represent things that physically exist in our world. So, next time when you talk about your cat, your phone, or the chocolate you ate, remember, you're using concrete nouns. Let's now look at some common examples of concrete nouns. Remember, these nouns can relate to people, places, things, and animals. People: doctor, teacher, artist. Places: park, city, beach. Things: book, car, cup. Animals: elephant, butterfly, dog. It's important to note that concrete nouns are not just single words. They can also be part of compound words like basketball or rainbow. Finally, let's see how to use concrete nouns in sentences. 1. People: the doctor is checking the patient's health. 2. Places: we're planning a trip to the beach this weekend. 3. Things: she bought a new car yesterday. 4. Animals: my pet dog loves to play fetch. And there you have it, the wonderful world of concrete nouns. I hope you found this lesson informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and remember to look around you for concrete nouns. They're literally everywhere. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting language lessons. Until next time, happy learning!